Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted in the month of April, because it's May now. So yes, in the month of April. So like I said, I think in my last monthly update, I'm not sure, it was some video, I was like, I'm going to go crazy with these summer, spring top patterns. Like I want to make a lot, and I actually did make a lot. I honestly thought I would get like 2 projects in maybe, but I actually got basically 4 pieces. Not basically, I did get 4 pieces done, which was insane because I did not expect to get this much done. Like I literally went crazy, and I was gonna say I literally have, but I have so many more ideas. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I made in the month of April, and then I'm going to show, I'm not going to show you guys, I'm going to tell you guys, I talk so much with my hands, I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to be making this month of May. So let's get right into it. All right, anyway, so I started this month off with this top, and I named it the Iris top. Bing! So it looks like this front, so it looks like this in the back, and this pattern is actually going to be coming out May 8th because that's when I decided. So yeah, pattern coming out May 8th. So this is the top, and if you watched my video, you know that this was not the vision I had for this top. I wanted it to be a button band. It was gonna be so cute because I wanted a cute button band. I wanted like the preppy look of it. So I wanted a collar. I wanted like this middle part to be like a button band where I buttoned it, and then I could unbutton it if I wanted to, and then it would be like, you know, so cute. But it literally did not come out how I wanted it. It was just, it wasn't going to be the cutest. Oh, and I'll have a picture of how the top came out, but it wasn't going to be like the cutest top it could be with the button band, because it was messy looking, and I did not just want to put it out and just have it look anyhow. I wanted it to look great, and it did not look great, so I had to change it, switch it up a little bit, which is how I ended up with this top, and I love it. Like I think it was just meant to be. So yeah, that was the first top. So I just started off with this one, and I wanted spring colors, so that's why I was using brighter colors. And I also named all my tops after flowers because I wanted spring summer vibes, you know, I wanted that type of thing. But my Iris top is the first top I made for the month of April. After this top, I was like, I want to do something different. I want to do something I haven't done before. I want to do something that's super cute, springy, dressy. I wanted like long sleeves, and I just wanted something totally different because I was tired of like making these tops, like just the basic front panel, back panel, crochet my sleeves flat, attach it, and then done. Like I wanted a different experience with my tops. I wanted to switch it up just a little bit, which is how I ended up with the Forget Me Not top. So this is how it looks when it's not on me. That's the back strap to keep the shoulders right on my shoulders, and I'll have a picture of how I looked with this top on. I love this top. This top blew my mind because I had the vision, and I was like, I have no idea how I'm going to do this, because one, I've never crocheted in a round before besides when I did, I was gonna say that tater top, but it's not a tater top. Someone said it looked like a tater top, but it's actually, it was a ghost. It was a ghost. I did a ghost, but that was easy because I was just going and going. I didn't have like a point where I had to. Anyway, so yeah, other than that, I've never crocheted in a round before with a garment, and I was like, is this gonna work out? Because I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea if it's gonna turn out great. And I was scared that I would have wasted my time, because I crocheted the front and back panels flat, which was easy. That's in my area of knowledge. That's not the right. Anyway, so that was easy for me. But when I got to the sleeves, because usually I crochet my sleeves flat and then I attach it to the panel, but this time I wanted to crochet the sleeves on the panel, which is in a round. I kid you not, I literally tried 9 different styles of crocheting around. Each time, like, my stitches were leaving. Like, I would start off with like 40 and then I would end up with like 34 when I wasn't decreasing. I was trying to figure out like why it was happening, so I would try a different method. Then I would try a method where it's like a seamless method, so you don't see a seam, but I wanted like a straight seam. Some seams were curving, so it was and then the one method I used, the seam was straight, but I was losing stitches and I had no idea why, until my sister told me what she did for her pants, and that is the method that worked. And I was like, oh, thank you so much, thank you so much. So that was a roller coaster, but as soon as like I got that method and I did that method, I was so confident that it was going to turn out amazing, and it did, because look at this. And I wanted stripes. I'm literally obsessed with stripes. I don't know why. I just love stripes. I love changing colors in my projects. I just love colors. So I wanted this to be like super stripy, super springy, super like crazy. And I didn't want like a specific color scheme. I just wanted it to be like stripes, some color, a lot of color, like maybe 2 rows of color, then like 6 rows and 3 rows. And then when I was doing this, I realized that my shoulders were just falling off, and I was like, okay, boom, another problem. First I had the sleeve problem, and then I had the problem with the shoulders just coming off. Like when I relaxed my shoulders, this top would just drop, and I was like, how the heck am I going to fix this problem? I just fixed my sleeve problem, now I have this problem. And then I just thought of like what would hold the shoulders up, and I was like, boom, band in the back. So that's what I did. And then the top came out like this. I literally just loved how like tight it was against my arm, because usually all my tops I do ribbing and it's baggy. So I never did like a tight long sleeve top before. And then the ruffles on the end just like made the top. Like the ruffles just, oh my gosh. Like, I'm in love. Are you kidding me? This is so beautiful, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This exceeded my expectations, because I was so like not confident in the beginning, but when I finished one sleeve, I was like, absolutely, this is it, and it turned out amazing. So amazing. I'm so proud of this top. But yeah, this is the second top I made for the month of April, the Forget Me Not top. And this top will actually, the pattern will be coming out June 1st. So yeah, that's when this pattern will be dropping. And I still want to make like a ribbing version, because I just love ribbing. So I'll probably do that like when I'm not busy making new tops. But yeah, that's the second top I made. And then the third project I made for the month of April, it's 2 pieces, and let's start off with the cardigan. So as soon as I finished this top, it was the day I was taking pictures of this top, and I was in the bathroom, and I randomly came up with an idea for my next project. And I wanted a cardigan. I wanted a mini cardigan, because I never made a mini cardigan before. I've always made like long ones. I wanted a cardigan, a mini cardigan, and then I wanted like tight sleeves again, because I'm obsessed with tight sleeves. Like, I only want to make my future projects with like tight sleeves, because I never did that before. Like, I just want to do something different, and I found my different. Like, I just love the tight sleeves and then a flared look. So I wanted tight sleeves. I wanted a flared ending, but I didn't want ruffles, so I wanted a mini cardigan, tight sleeves, flared ending, and I wanted a button band, but I really did not. I don't know how to do holes in the ribbing of a button band. I know it's easy, but I really just didn't want to figure out like how to do it. I just it's not that important. Like when I do another project, I'll figure that out. And so I was, instead of doing a button band, I was just like, I'll change colors in the ribbing. So that is how this piece came to life, and this is called the Hyacinth set because of the tank top. But this is the cardigan, and I wanted like solid color. Of course I wanted to do stripes. I always want to do stripes, which is why I incorporated stripes in the back, because I wanted the two colors in the back, and I was like, this is the perfect way to incorporate it. And then I had like my blue sleeve, and so I made the purple panel, so it's not like, so it's the opposite. So, and then the ribbing is blue, so it's like blue, pink, blue. And then on this side it's pink, blue, pink. So cute. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'll have a picture of how that turned out. I loved how these pictures turned out. Like, I just loved the whole fit. It was just chef's kiss, perfect. I loved it because this is like, it's like cute and casual at the same time, and I love that. So that's how this turned out. And then the sleeves, I wanted skinny sleeves and a flared look, but not ruffles. So this is the ruffles, and this is like just a flared, and I love like just a flared look. So yeah, so I made this, and then I was like, for the tank top, I needed a tank top because I didn't want to wear a regular shirt because I felt like it needed something to match this crochet. So I didn't want to wear like a regular top, so I was like, boom, okay, tank top, I'll make a tank top. But then the other problem was figuring out what color to make the tank top, and I didn't want to make it like the majority of any of these colors because I felt like it would take away from like the boom 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 color type of thing I was going for. So I was like, okay, I can incorporate something like this in the tank top with the stripes, but make it white, because you know the white is like, it's standing out, so it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. But so I made the tank top, and this was just a quick tank top. I barely even know what I did. I mean, I do know what I did, but so I made this tank top to go with it. I wanted to incorporate the two colors, so I decided to stick with like what I did here with that one stripe of white. So that's why I did that one stripe of white here. And then the straps I actually meant for like it to be like purple and then like blue all around, but the way I did it, it just ended up being pink and blue, which I think is cute. But yeah, it's just a simple tank top, super cute, which went perfect with it. I didn't want anything to like super dramatic to take away from the cardigan itself. Why am I talking for so long? Okay, anyway, and so that's this set, and I love this set. Like, oh my gosh, I am just going crazy with the patterns, and I just have so many more ideas. So actually, let's get right into that. So for the month of May, Okay, I remember. So for the month of May, I'm going to start off with a cloud cardigan and, yeah, a cloud cardigan and tank top set. So kind of similar to this, but I will actually do ribbing on the cardigan. Yeah, I'll actually do ribbing on the cardigan, so it's not going to be like a flared sleeve look. And I got the idea because Charlie posted this picture, and my sister was like, oh my gosh, you need to like recreate that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I do need to recreate that. So I'll show you guys. I screenshotted it somewhere. Okay, here. So he was wearing this cloud cardigan. I don't know if you guys can see. And Kalila saw that, and she was like, oh, you need to recreate that. And I was like, I do. So I am. I'm going to recreate that, but I'm going to make it like more my style. So I'm going to make a tank top, and then I'm going to make a mini cardigan, and then I'm just going to crochet clouds on it because I really don't want to like crochet clouds during the process. So basically, so yeah, that's my first project for the month. And then my second project is going to be a cropped, like super cropped. I love crop tops, and that's why I make measurement based patterns, because for people who don't like crop tops, they don't have to make their tops cropped. But I like making my tops cropped. But it's gonna be like a crop top, and then I want the neckline to go like high, like at least like right here, like right against my neck. And then I'm gonna make my sleeves long. My thing is, I don't know if I should make my sleeves flared like this, or just keep it to like the point before the flared sleeve. before the flared part. Like, I don't know. I think I don't want to do it flared. I think I might just keep it, you know, solid. Like, just like after I do it on my decreases and it's tight against my arm, I think I'm just going to keep it like that and not what I can do is like incorporate that armhole, that thumb thingy. That would be cute. That would be super cute, actually. I don't even know how I would do that, but I like that. I like that idea a lot. I'm gonna do that. Okay, anyway, so that's my second top I'm going to make. And what the heck is my next one? I think I'm gonna have to go take a picture of my calendar. BRB. Okay guys, so I'm not tripping. That actually was it, like for the tops. And then I'm actually going to make a bucket hat, because instead of purses, I want to start doing bucket hats, because I can actually like wear a bucket hat whenever, you know, like it's easy to just wear a bucket hat and then a purse. And I don't even like purses, honestly. I just like making purses for my projects. So I'm going to make a bucket hat. I'm actually going to make a bucket hat to match my cloud cardigan piece, but I'll make another video. So I'll make two bucket hats. I'll make a bucket hat for that piece, but it's not going to be a separate video. It'll just be in that cloud video. But then I'll make another bucket hat for a video, like making a bucket hat for the first time, because I've never made a bucket hat. And I'm actually gonna do like the granny square method. I do not like granny squares. They're not that cute to me, but I love granny square bucket hats. I think they are the cutest ever. So that's what I'm gonna make. And then if I have like more time, I'll probably make something else, because I have a long list of things I want to make. Like, I just made a list yesterday, and let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 projects I want to make. So maybe if I have more time in a month, like if I knock these projects, like my 2 projects out early, I can do another top, because I have so many ideas, and maybe I can get like 3 tops done. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I can get some stuff done. So that's the plan for May, and then we'll see how much I get done. We'll just see. But anyway, I don't know why I talk for this long, but that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.